This is a way to eat fish that I was introduced to during my first trip to Iceland a long, long time ago. Iceland has a rather different type of cuisine that most other northern European countries do. There's not a lot of beef in Iceland. And fish represents a big part of the food supply in this maritime country. Now, I don't know what it's like now. I haven't been there in 20, 25 years. But at the time, a buddy of mine that had invited me over took me out to eat one night, and we had dinner in a restaurant, and what he suggested that I order was the following thing that I'm going to make for you tonight. And it's